Assalamu alaikum. Hello dear students. How are you all? I hope you are fine. And me? Yes, I am fine too. You are most welcome to Chattogram Online School, as this is my first live class. So I'd like to introduce myself to you. I am Muhammad Rafiqul Islam, Assistant Teacher English, Mishrai Girls High School, Mishrai Chattogram. Today I am here to teach you your favorite subject, English for today. You see, for class 6. So I think you are ready to attend the class with your books and pens. So let's get started this class. At first I will ask you a very simple question about birds, Paki. The question is, what birds do we usually see around us in cities, villages, or any other places? Can you tell me? Mention some name. And try to remember. At the same time, look at the screen. Think about the picture. I'll show you some picture of birds. Can you recognize the bird? Okay, dear students, perhaps you're watching the pictures. So let's tell the name. First, can you tell me the name of the first bird? This is very common. You see, common moina, shalik. This is name. First you'll tell, then I'll help you. And try to recognize. Can you see the picture clearly? Write in the comment box. Okay, sparrow, choroi. Parrot. This is, it can be trained to copy your speech, dear. And ugly bird, crow, cat. And this is, tell me, owl with big eyes, better. The last one, cuckoo. This is very clever bird, you know, lays eggs in the nest of other bird. So, cuckoo. The students, another questions this time. Have you seen any yellow bird? Try to remember. I can show you a picture. Look at the picture. Can you see? Okay. Now, what is the name of this bird? Okay, this is actually banable. We call it banable. Okay, dear students, we have talked about a lot of birds. That means, can you guess? Now this time, can you guess what is the lesson today? Perhaps you know, today our lesson, birds of Bangladesh. Okay, look at the board. Our today's lesson, birds of Bangladesh. Open your book at page 40 after completing this lesson, you will be able to write short paragraphs, and you also can talk about people, places, and familiar objects in short, simple sentences. Okay? Now this time I have selected some words for you, so let's expand your vocabulary. First word, it may be familiar with you. You try to guess the meaning of the word and then write in the comment box. Number one is sprightly. Try to guess. Sprightly means lively. Pranachoncho, chotpote. Okay. If you want to know, if you want to learn any vocab, you should practice through making sentence. So let's make a sentence with this word. Sprightly. Bearable. That is shown to you. Bearable is a very sprightly bird. Okay. Number two, plentiful. Plentiful. Lots, many, mans. Plentiful means abundant. Abundant. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Or follow me. Abundant means প্রচুর, অনেক. Sorry. So let's make another sentence with this word, plentiful. This season we see mangoes. Mangoes are plentiful. In this season. Okay, mangoes are plentiful in this season. What comes next? Very interesting word. Big. Big means, try to remember and guess. Big means a hard, curved part of the mouth of a bird. That is another word, bill. Paquito. So, can you make any sentence with the word? I can help you. The girl, till, held the fish in its beak. Okay? চিলটি মাছটিকে তার ঠোঁটের মধ্যে আঁকড়ে ধরেছে, কামড়ে ধরেছে. Okay? Only another word I write here. Write down all these words and sentence. Number 4, lay. Have you heard the word lay? Lay means produce. Produce. Produce means lay dimpara. So does your hand legs? Does your hands and leg? Okay. I will return the word and the sentences. The students, now let's go to screen. Open your book at page 40. Can you see the text clearly? You have also this book before you on the table. So this I would like to translate, read and translate this text for you better understand in English to Bengali, and sometimes I'll help you if you don't understand. Read the following passage. Bangladesh is a country full of natural resources. Natural resources, প্রাকৃতিক সম্পদ. বাংলাদেশ প্রাকৃতিক সম্পদে ভরা পূর্ণ একটি দেশ. We are proud. Proud, আমরা গর্বিত, আমরা গর্ববোধ করি. Our soils, আমাদের এদেশের মাটি, forest, বন, flowers, ফুল, fruits, ফল and birds, এবং পাখি নিয়ে. The country is gifted. এদেশে আছে with plentiful of fauna. Fauna means all the animals of a particular area or a particular period of a history. So এদেশে প্রাণীকুলের একটা প্রাচুর্যতা রয়েছে, প্রচুর প্রাণীকুল রয়েছে due to its geographical location. Geographical এর ভৌগোলিক অবস্থানের কারণে. Birds are one of them. পাখি সেই প্রাণীকুলগুলোর মধ্যে অন্যতম একটি. Today we will read, আমরা আজকে পড়ব about a bird, একটা পাখি সম্পর্কে, known, you know, তোমরা জানো, as banabo. Banabo in বাংলা. বাংলায় আমরা ওটাকে banabo বলি, but in black-headed Ariel in English, কিন্তু ইংরেজিতে সেটাকে আমরা বলবো black-headed Ariel. Okay, and moving on to next slides. The black-headed Ariel is a bird of a plain land. Plain land means সমতল ভূমি, not hilly region, hill tracts, not high place. It's plain land, সমান সমতল ভূমি of Bangladesh. বাংলাদেশের সমতল ভূমির পাখি এই black-headed Ariel. Its body is deep yellow. এর শরীরটা গাঢ় হলুদ. Its head, এর মাথা, its throat, এর গলা, and its tail, এর leg, and some parts of its wings, এবং তার যে wings, যে ডানা আছে তার কিছু অংশ black, এগুলো কালো. Its beak is red. এর যে ঠোঁট সেটি লাল. It looks like a ময়না. এটা যেন ময়নার মতো দেখতে. And is about 25 centimeter in length. Centimeter, this is abbreviation of centimeter, cm. That means এর দৈর্ঘ্য, এটি লম্বায় 25 সেন্টিমিটার হয় প্রায়, about, nearly. It is seen in Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, and some other countries. এই সমস্ত দেশগুলোতে এই পাখিটা দেখা যায়. So next para, the black-headed Ariel is a very sprightly and restless bird. It expresses the characteristic features of this bird. Okay, nature of this bird. Sorry, the black-headed Ariel is a very sprightly, প্রাণচঞ্চল, চটপটে, and restless, অস্থির প্রকৃতির পাখি. It never stays. এটি কখনো থেমে থাকে না, স্থির থাকে না, at one spot, কোনো একটি জায়গায়, for long, বেশিক্ষণ ধরে থাকে না. It is all kinds of, এটি খেয়ে থাকে সব ধরনের, all kinds of, সব ধরনের worms, পোকা, and insects, এবং কি? Its call, এর যে ডাক আছে না, সেটা is quite sweet, খুব সুন্দর এবং মধুর, and pleasant এবং সুন্দর. The black-headed Ariel builds, black-headed Ariel এই পাখিটি makes, বানায়, তৈরি করে round shape beautiful nest, তাদের সুন্দর গোলাকৃতির বাসা তৈরি করে with dry grass, শুকনো ঘাস, and barks of trees. Barks of trees means, barks means the outer covering part of a tree, that means গাছের বাকল দিয়ে. So both the male and the female bird, মানে পুরুষ এবং স্ত্রী পাখি take part, অংশগ্রহণ করে in building their nests, তাদের বাসা তৈরির ক্ষেত্রে। The black-headed Ariel, এই পাখিটি lays, পারে কয়টি? 2 or 3 eggs, দুইটি অথবা তিনটি ডিম পারে at a time, প্রতিবার। Turn to page 41. Now we're going to solve section A1. Learn the meaning of these words. The students, there are 7 words. Good news for you that we have already learned 4 words. So the rest 3 words, very simple. Perhaps you have guessed the meaning of these words from the text. Geographical means, I've said, relating to the geography of a particular area. Bogolic. Fauna, already I've said to you, fauna means all animals of a particular area, place, or period of history. Pranical. And the last one, resources means asset, capital, wealth, sampad. Okay, dear students, I have some more interesting exercise for you. Just keep on watching on the screen. Yes. Another bird, and there are some arrow marks on its body, and there are some name the parts of the body, parts of the bird. Just try to match the word with these parts of its body. Throat. Number 1, we can start from this part. Number 1, let's read out the word. Throat, tail, wings, feather, and beak. So look here, what is this? It will be beak. Just look at drag and put. If it is correct, it won't move. Yes, this is correct. Okay, can you match the second? Can you tell me this? This is throat, perhaps. Yes, great. Okay, now next, what is this? This is a part of the bird with what? It can fly, but we can't fly because we have no these types of. So this is wings. Yes. The next one, all of this. Can you tell me what is this? All of these are feather. Okay. The last one is ledge. That means tail. Okay. We are successful here. You have done well. Okay, dear students. Work up to next exercise for you. A very beautiful bird, Banabo picture. There are some words, and you are asked to ask some information to write here. For example, color of the bird, shape of house, size of the bird, beak, and number of eggs that these birds lay, and food that this bird eat. The students, don't afraid of this. All of the information you will get in the text section A, and all of information you will see. Just you will find the information and write here. Okay. So let's solve the problem. Number 1, color. Can you tell me color of the bird? Yellow and black. Okay, we click here. Yes, we are right. Yellow and black. Okay, next. Can you tell me what is the shape of house nest of the bird? Perhaps you can remember it's maybe round. Yes, it's maybe round. Round shape, beautiful nest. Okay, what comes next? Size. Size means what's the length of these bird from tail to head or head to tail, no problem. Size, we have learned in the text, from the text, about 25 centimeter in length. Okay, big, this is big, red color big, big. So red color big, yes, this is red. And number of eggs, you have to say this. Let's see how many eggs here. 3. We have read in the text 2 or 3. It vary. Okay, dear students, the last one, food. Yes, all of these are called worms or insects. Okay, dear students, you have you have done well. You are great. Okay, let's go ahead. There's some true false for you, and this on the basis of the text. Read the text again and say if the sentence are true or false. We have read the text well, so no need to read again, but you can read. Okay, this one, let's go. Number 1, Bonobo eats saw plants. We have learned Bonobo eats worms and insects, but here saw plants. No, this is can't be true. It is false. Okay. Number 2, B. It makes nest with soil, mati. It makes its house with soil. Actually not. We know Bonobo makes its nest with dry grass and the barks of trees. So it is also false. Okay. Its tail is red. Its tail is red. Can you tell me? Beak is red, but tail may be different color. So we'll take it false. Another one, his voice is charming. We have known about this. His voice is very pleasant. Perhaps it's true. The last one, Bonobo is found in hilly areas, high areas. We read in the text, it lives in plain land. So this is also false. Most of the lines are false. Okay, if we can check the answers, our answer is correct. Okay, let's move on to next. Now you have to tell two nature of the bird. How is the bird? Can you remember? We have learned from the text that it is restless and sprightly, lively. Okay, look here. Yes, it's sprightly and restless. Now mention some name of the country that you have read in the text. These birds live there. Okay, let's mention some. Name some countries where Bonobo is found. Where you will find Bonobo. For example, we can say Bonobo is found in Bangladesh, here our country, India, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, and some other countries. Okay, just we can check our answers. Look here. Okay, very good. Another exercise for you, make a question. At the first time, all the time we see at the first time question, but here we see answer. We have to make question with this word. These words will help you. What it? That means worms and insects. Try yourself. About 25 cm length. To get this information, what kind of question you need? Both the male and female Bonobo birds and 2 or 3 eggs. Okay, let's start making this question. What it? We can write, what does Bonobo eat? Okay, and about 25 centimeter in length. What is the size of Bonobo? Number 3, who make nest for Bonobo? Another 2 or 3 eggs. How many eggs does Bonobo lay? Okay. All of the questions that we have done here are mentioned. Okay, dear students, there is a text. Fill in the gaps with the word hanging words, very interesting words. You know all of these: restless, colorful, natural, location, chase, pleasant, and sweet. So let's fill the gaps. Last week, the Islam family went out for a picnic in a beautiful, restless, colorful, try yourself. The dash scenery of that place, a meal stall. They also had the house songs try of the verse. The children saw some hobars, just use here an adjective, another, and become another adjective, become how to see all the birds. They wanted to dash them, but they wanted to, you need a verb, you know, restless, adjective, noun, verb, adjective, and also adjective. So check the answers. Look here. Can you match? All the match words: location, natural, sweet, natural scenery, sweet songs, colorful birds, restless, and chase them. Okay, these students? Now this time we have learned a lot of things about this lesson. Perhaps you have understand better. Now I will test your knowledge. This time is your test. Okay? You have to face this question. As you know all of this, as you know the lesson well, so you have to answer this question. Assessment for you. Number 1. What is the bird banabo called in English? You know in Bengali banabo, but English, can you tell me? Can? And if you can, write in the comment box. Okay. Number 2. What kind? A few seconds later, I will show you the correct answer and you can match. Okay. What kind of birds is it? What kind of? How? That means you need to mention the nature of this bird. And the last one. Who take part in building the rest of the black-headed Ariel? Who take part? Who makes? Who build? Is that's the question. Now check your answers. Yes. The bird banabo is called black-headed Ariel in English. 2. It is a very sprightly and restless bird. And 3. Both the male and female black-headed Ariel take part in building the nest of it. Okay, I have a little homework, do not afraid of it. And look here, look at the picture of the tia, parakeet below, and then write a paragraph on bird using the clues given. Answers, you will find this homework in your text. So the students, we have learned a lot in this lesson. And never forget to do this homework. One thing more, drop a like, share this class. That's all for today. Stay home, be safe. Thank you for joining us. Allah Hafiz.